Okay, I just got a brand new window unit. Heat pump, has a heater on it. It's Frigidaire. It's huge. 8,000 BTU, 7,000 BTU. And I think it has like electric heat, 3,500. Yeah. Before I start it up, this thing works amazing. It's quiet, huge, cleaned it. I bought it from Facebook, but I love it. All right, see what's start up. It just says that in the back, but it's fine. Let's take a picture. Give it a second. There's a reversing valve. Okay, set it down. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Wow, got cold quick. Pretty quiet. Yeah, these vents are actually really good. Fan. Yeah, this thing works pretty amazing. I'm about to put it on heat mode in a second. Before I did that, I let it set. There's filter, coil. I'll do the deep cleaning soon. Yeah, it works pretty good. All right, now I'll try heat. So it's like. Oh, I can smell the heat now. Oh, it stinks. It has a reversing valve, and now it's just gonna fan off for a minute. Oh, it's just off. It's gonna go off. Yeah, it's pretty cool.